Hello, what up, guys? What's up, people? You welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Famous Nelson, and today I want to break down how to make Afrobeat for you guys. Most of you keep telling me you still find it difficult for you to make Afrobeat, especially those of you that are new to music production. So today I decided to take my time and break it down to simplify it for you so you can easily understand it. In case you're making beat with FL Studio Mobile or you're making beat with Banda Mobile. So because of time, I already have my drums loaded. I have my kick. Please don't forget to subscribe in case you're new around here. So I have my kick, I have my snare, I have my percussions. You can see I have different percussions here, and I and this last one is an hi hat. So let's begin. Let's set our tempo to 100 BPM because I'll be making a kind of slow emotional Afrobeat, and we all know that a regular Afrobeat pattern is something like this. They just range it like this. This is how normal Afrobeat is being arranged. I'm sorry, let me put it well. So this is how a normal Afrobeat is arranged. So what we'll do is remove the first snare, place it up, remove the third snare, place it on the kick, and the fourth one, place it on the kick, and this is what you get. So let's just copy and paste it. So now let's start placing our percussions. Make sure you pay attention to what I'll do because after arranging the pattern, we'll have to mix the drum. After you mix them, the mixing makes them sound good. So just make sure you don't skip any part of the video. Let's remove this one. So now you can see how it sounded very nice. So this is Afrobeat. Now let's place the hi-hat. Let's see. Let's place the hi-hat. Mm, no, let's put it there. Okay, so and let's place one at the end then. So for the last one, yeah, see what I'll do to the last one. For the last one, I'll slice it, and to slice it, all you got to do is you see this ball here. You draw the ball up. You just have to draw it up. Then you see repeat. Then click on repeat. Then you come. You if you want to repeat it 4 times, you have to click on it 4 times. This is what you get. You can see the mark. It's already sliced now. So you can see the way it's sounding. You can hear how it's sounding now. So that's how you slice your hi-hat. So next, you swing your beat. You have to swing it to make it sound better. Then apart from that, let's reduce the volume of the percussions. Reduce the volumes to make sure they are not too loud. They are not louder than the snare and the kick together. So you have to. Then apart from that, the next thing you do is you pan some of the sounds to the left and some of them to the right. Snap and then you can see how I'm panning them. So this will actually make your beat sounds professional when people listen to them. This will help your beat to sound real professional. So always take notes of these things. Always swing your beat. Not always, but swing your beat when you think it's necessary. Then pan your sounds. Always pan some of your sounds. So now let's add a Afrobeat shaker loop. For those of you that need samples, I sell samples, so you can buy from me. You just have to contact me. Let's copy and paste those stuffs. Let's turn down the volume of the shakers, they are too loud. um, I think the volumes is okay this way. So the next thing now, let's add a chord. Let's add a chord progression. So for the chord, I go to DW sampler and look for um, amped exp. These are guitar sounds. So you can actually use guitar sounds as your chord. Most of you think you can only use piano sounds. No, you can use guitar sounds. You can use anything just as long they sound good. So let's use this tempted finger. So I'll first of all check for my root note. When I say root note, I mean what I want my chords to sound like. So this is one of the easiest way to get your chord progression. You first of all look for the root notes. So this is what I want my chords to sound like. Now I can start doubling them. So once you get your root notes, the next thing you have to do is to double them. This is the best and easiest way for you to play your chord, especially if you are a beginner. The first thing you have to do is search for the root notes before you start doubling them. So now the next thing you want to do is add effects to your chords to make them sound more brighter. You add something like reverb. Reverb will always make your chords sound much more brighter than you can hear how it sounds now. You can add auto dock. You can add auto dock to reduce the high ends of the reverb. I think it's too loud, so let's adjust the volume a little more. So that's one thing. You have to be creative when making music. Music production is all about creativity. So now let's add a pad. Click on GMX. Let's add a very soft pad. Go to pad. Let's use Dreams. I love using this pad because it has a very good ambience. So what you have to do is delete this and copy the chord, paste it here. Very easy. So reduce the volume up to pad. You can hear the way it's sounding now. So now let's add our next item. The next thing I want to add is our bass, and I'll make the bass very easy and simple. So let's go to DW sampler. I have my own bass sound there. I love using. Click on my files. Get bass. So I love this bass will be okay. Let's see. So the bass, we just have to make it very easy. You can hear how it sounds. Or better still, I think it would be okay to let's remove this part here and let's make the bass up to 4 bars. So what I have to do is reduce this one to a low. one, paste it at the front. Take this one upward. So you can hear how it's sounding. Now the next thing we should add is our effect. You hear those clap effect. You hear them in most Afrobeat songs. They're always in almost every Afrobeat song. I mean this particular clap. So you can have the clap and the riser. So all you have to do is turn down the volume a little. So you can hear how it's sounding. Then let's also add the riser. So the clap come immediately after the riser. Just have to make sure everything is well placed. There is another easier way to add the clap and the riser. So let's delete this one. Go to the drum pattern and let's bring in the riser in the clap. I think this one will be much more easier for you to understand. So this is the clap. We'll bring it and let's also bring in the riser. Here's the riser. So you place the clap at the beginning. Don't forget to reduce the volume. And you so you can pan the clap to the right and pan the riser to the left. So that will make it much more better. Replace the. Now let's see how it's going to sound. You can hear how it's sounding now. Sound much more better. So you can keep adding more sounds if you want to, but these are the basic sounds you should always consider adding to your Afrobeat. So now let's arrange it into a full song. Let's see how we can arrange it. So for those first bar, we'll delete the bars and the pad because it will be the intro. So we'll also do the same for this. And you come for the intro, you delete the kick from the intro. So the first 4 bars, let's delete the kick. So it's not good for your full instrument to just start once. So you have to delete the kick. And let's make the bar. Let's make it. Let's delete this one. Then let's delete the bass from this one. Then let's copy another one at the front. So let's just say intro, first verse, and chorus. don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.